I do that when I'm bored. I scalp when I'm bored. I'm sitting at my charts and I'm like, I might as well just trade it. It's, I'm not in love with it. It's not the best time of day for trading, but I can see I'm going to make money. So like, I don't know what I made like, I don't know, 60 pips last night scalping, plus another 60 pips on a swing trade. So I was just filling the time. And it's cool if you do it right. What you're doing is it's almost like hedging, right? You're paying for some of your losers, right? So let's say you lost 100 pips on a swing trade. Well, I'll just pick it up. I'll just pick it up scalping, right? Oh, so that's what you guys were asking about, a Euro USD trade. I had a big one on last week, right? And I think I was down 100 pips on one, something like that. So I ended up making another trade much higher up, right? I think I was only because it was good resistance. And what happened was I took a medium. So I think, actually thinking about it now, I think I was in 3. I took a sizable. I think I lost like $1,000 on one. And then the second one, I think I made like $200, and the third one I made like $500. So, and then last night it all just washes out. So I sold at like a 50% retracement to a monthly central pivot and shorted in the direction of the prevailing trend. And I lost money. Well, so what? I did the right thing. And then, I easily made it back. So again, continuing to do the right thing. So sometimes you get unlucky, sometimes you get lucky, but I hate to be wrong. Usman, I do use MACD. So let's, someone want to talk about USD Swiss franc? Okay, fine. Oops, that's the wrong one. What did I hit? Was that USD yen? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, someone requested this a couple of times. Boom. All right, Swissy. What is that? Ooh. Oh yeah, I see the lower low reversal. All right, cool. Let me get rid of this. The question is, why don't I use MACD as much as I used to? So if you've been trading with me over the years, you'll recognize sayings, Wayneisms, like I trust MACD to babysit my children, right? I'd let MACD babysit my children. That's how much I trust it. It's true. But so why don't I use it? And I just found that I like to have as much real estate on my chart as possible. I like to be able to see things. So very often I'm messing around with my oscillator. Sometimes I want to look at Stokes, sometimes I don't. So I move it around, right? Because I only look at things at particular moments. Am I looking at Stokes now? Well, if I don't think I'm at resistance, Stokes is worthless. Why would I look at it? So I tend to get it out of the way. And then MACD, I can just see MACD by looking at the chart. And I don't even need the oscillator plotted with an indicator, because I can calculate it with my mind. I can just look at that chart. I can draw you the MACD, any chart, anytime. Just hand it over, and I can do it. So that's kind of why I just kind of got rid of it, because having it actually physically drawn just slows me down. Okay, so like this is the MACD crossing the waterline. Here's the MACD falling. Here's the MACD rising. Here's the MACD falling. Here, all above the waterline though. So boom, boom, boom. I mean, it's easy, right? So I don't know. I have enough data on the chart as it is, so adding the indicator wouldn't help. So I don't know. That's the truth of it. but I still use it. I just don't have it drawn. I know it's weird, but so anyways, going to the Swissy. You know, I don't know. How do you want to play this? Has it made a low? No. So we're in here. Okay, is this a good time to buy? Only if you're impatient, undisciplined, lack a plan, and are probably unprofitable as a trader? Sure, go ahead. Okay, I mean, that's just not the right place to buy. Where were you when we were at support, right? And I could look at this chart and you might say, oh, Wayne, but the falling MACD. Right? Oh, but the falling MACD. You want to see the falling MACD? I got you your falling MACD right here, huh? You ready? Boom. See, falling MACD. Whoa. See, it fell from here to here. But the falling MACD, Wayne, the falling MACD. So anyways, that's why you didn't buy it in here, right? Because you got faked out by your falling MACD. Fine. But anyways, it's moving up. To me, it's a dollar play. You know, this is not quite a dollar index, but I don't know. I think the Swiss National Bank gets involved. I think they get scared with euro movements and stuff like that. So I still haven't regained much trust in the Swiss. So I got another person requesting CAD. I thought I covered it briefly. Maybe we need to cover it in more in depth. So let's do that next, huh?